Jessica Manwiit. Reporter po ako ngayon ng GMA TV10 dito sa Dagupan City.
Para sa karagdagang detalye, makakapanayam natin ng live ang provincial.
Dahil sa mga lessons na natutunan ko during my stay in UC, naging versatile akong person, naging flexible ako sa lahat ng bagay kung saan yung mga tipong mahirap na gawin noon ay mas madali lang gawin ngayon.
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko inahala na at the age of 19 magiging reporter na rin ako at makakapasok ako dito sa GMA Network.
May mga murang panregalo sa Pasko na maaaring mabili sa kanilang pwesto. Kagaya na lamang ng
Yung mga lesson na itinuro nila sa amin, hindi lang dun sa loob ng classroom, kundi outside the four corners of classroom, ay talagang na-apply ko na rin ngayon dito sa real world sa aking trabaho bilang isang reporter. Lalo na kapag nasa field kami, may mga pagkakataon na nalilito ako, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Pero kapag bumabalik ako dun sa mga itinuro nila sa amin nung college ako, yun, na-apply ko naman siya at mas nagagawa ko rin ng maayos yung aking trabaho sa ngayon.
I am the university-wide student president, and I am an eager learner. This molded me for sure, for who am I in the bright future.
Ordinary student lang ako, mahihain ganyan. Pero yung instructor namin na yon, one time habang nagdi-discuss siya, tapos bigla siyang may tinanong, tapos tinawag niya ako, sabi niya, tinawag niya akong I7. Noong una hindi ko alam na ako yung tinutukoy niya. Tapos yun, bigla na lang niya sinabi na, ikaw Lilian, sabi niya ganyan. Nakakagulat lang na hindi ko alam kung paano ako magre-respond that time. Kasi, di ba, yung instructor namin, nakita niya agad yung potential sa akin. Dahil doon, parang mas lalo ako na-motivate na mag-aral, magpursige, para maabot ko nga yung pangarap ko.
When I was a freshman student, I am very shy. I doubted myself, underestimated my capabilities, and most importantly, I did not believe on myself. But because of my passionate instructors and supportive staffs of this prestigious university, I overcome every negative things in my past. I am now empowered and given the driving force for excellence.
Naging volunteer ako sa UC Project Helen, and at the same time, naging member din ako ng UC Leadership Communities. Sumali din ako ng 28 PLDT Visual Arts Competition. Then, mula din sa 800 entries na nanggaling pa sa iba't ibang school dito sa bansa, nakapasok ako sa top 50 ng First Silo Awards. Na-awardan ako as Visual Artist of the Year, and at the same time, Outstanding UC Student. Noong Communicar Awards Night, yung minor awards, kabilang dito yung Most Transformed Student.
During the Silo Award, I was also awarded as one of the Outstanding UC Student of the University of the Cordilleras.
Last year, I was one of the representative of the Philippines to the Global Youth Summit. That was the time in my life that I proudly say that I am a Filipino, a Cordilleran, and a UCN. Last March, UC, through the Office of the Student Affairs and Services, awarded me as the outstanding UC student. I was very happy and motivated, inspired to face the challenge of life with pride and confidence.
I am a proud graduate of the University of the Cordilleras kasi minold niya ako kung nasaan man ako ngayon.
Ang College of Arts and Sciences, talagang nakatulong ito kung nasaan man ako ngayon. Talagang very proud ako na graduate ako sa UC at galing ako sa College of Arts and Sciences.
CAS, with its mission to increase the knowledge of the student to become productive members of the Philippine society and the world at large, taught me how to become an accountable, transparent, and humble student leader. Because here in UC, I have the drive on holding high the torch and proud to follow the trailblazing path of excellence with the far-reaching guidance of this institution and the College of Arts and Sciences.